This group was knowingly illegally trafficking in drugs. As a result, we took action to stop it.
The investigation had been ongoing since September. Vancouver police targeting the Drug User Liberation Front office at this East Hastings intersection where drugs were made available to dozens of users.
While Dolph's actions were intended to reduce the harms caused by the toxic, illicit drug supply, we have always warned that anyone who violates the Criminal Code or the Controlled Drugs and Substances Act should expect to face enforcement and criminal charges.
2 East Vancouver homes were also raided, 2 people arrested, and drugs seized.
They're substances that we believe are heroin, cocaine, and methamphetamine.
The group, commonly known as DULF, has operated in the community for 3 years, distributing drugs allegedly bought from the dark web to about 50 users in need.
We started the Drug User Liberation Front because nobody else was coming to save us, so we knew we had to do something ourselves.
Garth Mullins, one of the group's co-founders, said they tried to get Health Canada approval to operate, but were denied. Still, they did receive a $200,000 grant from Vancouver Coastal Health to test their drugs.
I know a bunch of people who relied on that who are now going to have to go to the street supply, not a tested, clean supply of drugs. They're going to have to go and take their chances with fentanyl off the street.
Supporting organized crime is not life-saving work.
In the legislature, the opposition leader questioned whether provincial funds were used to buy illicit drugs, a charge denied by the public safety minister.
Once government became aware that of the situation, the contract was immediately canceled. Their contract was for drug testing, not for the purchase of illicit drugs.
While BC's premier hopes the raid sends a message to other groups operating illegally.
Even though they were doing that important life-saving work, they were also breaking the law, and we can't have it.
A police raid amid a toxic drug crisis that's claimed more than 1,400 lives this year. No charges have been laid, at least not yet. John Hernandez, CBC News, Vancouver.